Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Hisense U7K Mini-LED TV. A budget-friendly option that promises impressive performance across the board. Let's start with the design. The Hisense U7K features a sturdy build with noticeable bezels and dual leg stands, reminiscent of higher-end models in the Hisense lineup. It's a bit hefty, but offers versatility with its VESA mount compatibility for wall installation. Connectivity-wise, it's equipped with all the essentials. 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, including 2 capable of 4K at 144 Hz, perfect for your gaming needs. There are also USB ports, digital optical output, and Ethernet, making it future-proof for various setups. Now, let's talk about what matters most: picture quality. The U7K utilizes Mini-LED technology, delivering vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Whether you're watching animated movies or playing the latest games, the HDR brightness at 10% is impressive, really bringing scenes to life. Speaking of gaming, this TV shines with its gaming features. With a 144 Hz refresh rate and an input lag of just 13.2 milliseconds. It keeps up with the action, providing a smooth and responsive gaming experience. AMD FreeSync Premium Pro helps eliminate screen tearing, enhancing gameplay further. As for audio, the built-in 2.1-channel speakers deliver decent sound quality. While it won't replace a dedicated soundbar, it's punchy and clear. Suitable for everyday viewing without the need for additional audio equipment. In conclusion, the Hisense U7K Mini-LED TV impresses with its excellent color accuracy, gaming prowess, and solid build quality, all at an affordable price point. It's not without its flaws, like some motion processing issues and limited viewing angles. But for the budget-conscious consumer looking for a feature-packed TV, the U7K is certainly worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Hisense U7K Mini-LED TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.